everyone. Today I will be showing you how you can connect to your router using the IP address 192.168.100.1. So the first step is you need to check if you're connected to your router. You can check that by going here on the right menu and click on the Wi-Fi settings. And here, as you can see, I'm connected to my TP-Link router. The second step is you need to confirm your IP address if it's the correct one. So go into the search bar, type in CMD for command prompt, click on it, and here just type in ipconfig and press enter. And here you can see that the default gateway is the IP address that we're looking for. So you can just copy it with Command C. Now open your browser, go into your search bar, and paste the IP address and press enter. And here you can see the login page to your router. For this example, TP-Link has the standard login and password the same, and it's admin. So type in admin and also type in admin for the password. Now press enter. And here you are in the dashboard of your IP router. So for example, if you want to then change your IP address, you can go on the left menu, click on network, and then click on LAN. And here, for example, you can change the IP address if you need to. Once all of the changes are done, you can click on save and then just log out from the system. And that's everything for today. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.